Hi, folks. Speed Fallon here from Mighty Mississippi Motors, blowing my own horn for these wonderful car values for you, the car buying public, right here with Courteous Salesman, the home of volume dealing. Don't forget, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, we're right here with these wonderful TV specials for you, the car buying public. Now, stop right into the many other wonderful cars right here at Mighty Mississippi Motors. Here's a very wonderful number, a four-door sedan in that ever-popular Sandstorm beige. Don't forget, folks, it's original factory air in the tire. This wonderful car can be used for $99 down, $99 per month, 99 months, folks. It's right there, savings pass on to you, the car buying public. Come in and shop and save at Mighty Mississippi Motors. Now, friends, here's a very beautiful car and beautiful convertible in two-tone rust with new wiring throughout. New wiring throughout, folks. It's got new wiring holding the motor, new wiring holding the hood, new wire just came up to the front seat. Now, don't forget, call me, Speed Fallon, right here at KL on your dial. That's Clunker 11313. If I'm not at that number, you'll get me right here at SY for Sylvia 382436. Now, don't forget our wonderful gold warranty on each and every car sold by Mighty Mississippi Motors. If anything goes wrong in the first 5 miles or 2 minutes, whatever comes first, bring it right back, folks, and we'll fix it free of charge to you, the car buying public. Absolutely no charge whatsoever except for parts, labor, and towing. Now, the official Blue Book says this car should sell for $19.99. On Mississippi Motors, we say $39.99, folks. No job is too small with a criminal record 5 miles long. No job whatsoever. Stop it. You can drive on a beautiful executive model in 5 minutes. And don't forget, folks, only at Giant Mississippi Motors is each and every car on a wonderful lot here, assuring you the car buying public of perfect quality cars run through our reconditioning plant, which assures you custom front seat grease, lint upholstering, doors closed, new bumper hinge, hubcap switch, new carbon installed, and the trunk rifle. And don't forget, folks, at Mississippi Motors, we're so honest, the speedometers are actually set forward. Now, folks, there's a beautiful car. We're cleaning these out as the new models come in, folks. There's a wonderful custom upholstery right there. And don't forget, you get your choice of engines with this wonderful automobile here. You get a 327, a 429, a 519, a 721, or an 891. Now, don't forget, folks, right here, we've gone through our only factory reconditioning plant here. Gone through, completed with 5 new tire valves installed, ground sirloin in the transmission and rear end. And don't forget, there with 4 whoopee cushions installed front and rear, headlight wigs trimmed, and the fan belt polish for you, the car buying public, right here. No detail is too small to be overlooked. Motors. Now, here's the hard-to-get luxury model. Hard-to-get luxury model. This is the one with the electric vulgometer, the ground power irrigator, vinyl glove box interior, low-pressure tires, and custom cardboard trim. And features a wonderful wrap-around windshield and also features the very wonderful wrap-around hood. Now, for you compact buyers with small families, a wonderful car, a beautiful car, a real cream puff with loads of extras. Look at that tinted glass, custom top, custom roof. Don't forget, folks, for the next 15 minutes, this car is on sale to you, the car buying public. Remember, stock number 129-387-5236, 59231. That's area code 912, folks, and that's phone number 781-2365, zip code 512. And now remember this. Oh, the cars are always cleaner, and the cars are always cleaner, so deal with misdemeanor today. Yes, sir, folks. Speed Fallon for Mighty Mississippi Motors at the sign of the giant utility pole. Don't forget, don't go elsewhere and save it. Come right here at the big savings corner of Rodeman Todd Boulevard and Billingsgate Avenue. Thank you.